This is problem solving number 142. So Cindy drove her car 290 miles and rounded to the nearest 10 and used 12 gallons of gas rounded to the nearest gallon. So miles per gallon is 290 over and 12. And we're trying to figure out the actual number of miles per gallon that Cindy got must be between what? All right, so this is what you need to think about because these numbers are rounded. 290 is rounded to the nearest 10. So there. So what numbers would round to 290? For example, to the nearest 10. Wouldn't 285 round to 290? Wouldn't 286? All the way up to, now we're doing between. Trip must have been between. So it wouldn't include 295 would actually round up to 300, but since it's between, 295 works because if you just go step off one little notch to the left, then you're going to be rounding to 290. Now let's look at the bottom numbers. 12 gallons was rounded to the nearest gallon, nearest whole number. Nearest gallon, okay, so what numbers would round to 12? Well, what about 11.5? If you're rounding to the nearest whole number, wouldn't that go to 12? Of course, 11.6, 11.7, all the way up to 11.5. Once again, 11.5, yep, that's going to round to 12. So now we want to figure out what would be the smallest number here? Possibility. Well, to get the smallest possibility for a fraction, you want to use the smallest number in the numerator and the largest number in the denominator. So that would, that should be 12.5, sorry. And 12.5, would, once again, it would round to 13, but we're doing in between. If you stepped off to the left, you'd be rounded to 12. So go back. Smallest number in the numerator is 285. Largest number in the denominator is a 12.5. Because you know when you divide by a bigger number, it's getting smaller. And this would go up to, now we want the largest number. The largest number will be the largest number in the numerator divided by the smallest number in the denominator. So 11.5. So it looks like our answer is D.